What's up, guys? Back at it again. As usual, finally have something cooler to show, other than just plumbing and boring crap that no one really wants to watch. My front end kit that I've been waiting for months, the front accessory drive, finally showed up. So we're doing that today. Pretty amped if you can't tell, because I've been waiting for freaking ever. So this is the Holley front low mount accessory drive. So all the YouTube videos, everyone does the mid mount or the high mount. I've not seen a low mount. So this is going to be how to do the low mount on the Silverado. You can see we got an alternator. You do have to supply your own water pump and AC compressor, power steering pump. You don't have to supply it. This is all the kit. Alright, here's the toolkit you need to do 4 GM and Chrysler power steering pulley installs, and it's a puller as well if you need to pull something. It's 57031 and OEM Tools is who makes it. This is how you set it up. Just a sec. Alright, so this is how you set it up. It's got a flat area and then a bolt, and you want to run this bolt all the way into the pump. And then you're going to hold the smaller one and use the bigger nut, this front one, to drive the pulley on. So hold it like that and start running it forward. And you're going to go until it's flush. Alright, we got everything final torqued. Just ignore that. It's something I'm going to plumb later. But it looks amazing. Fitment was spot on. I mean, I was pretty impressed. This right side bracket was a little tight getting some of the bolts in. That bottom one didn't want to line up super great. I have a feeling that's because of the decked surface and the machined heads. Changing the spacing of the holes, because it does bolt into the head as well as the block, so there's some tolerance built in there, and I think I'm using pretty much all of it. But everything bolted up, everything's torqued up. Like I said, fitment is perfect. The belts that it came with were perfect. I mean, they're right in the middle of the tensioner range, so it should hold tension on them. If I do have a problem, it's kind of eyeballing. I got an extra spot for a tensioner there that I can dump on, and maybe get a little bit longer of a belt and wrap it around that tensioner. Other than that, really smooth. Probably one of the easiest things I've installed, especially even filming. Normally it takes super long to film it and install this stuff at the same time, and it was like a couple of hours. I wish the AC bracket was black. I paid for the black powder coated kit, which I guess only gives you the alternator, the bracket, and the black AC compressor, but not the bracket. Oh well, hindsight's 2020. If I had to do it again, I guess I'd paint that bracket black. Our drain fit also, which was good. It's touching the AC compressor, but it's not like super tight or anything like that, and we got clearance between the drain and the manifold, so that's all good. And anyways, I guess we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching my silly little videos. I appreciate the love, and it does motivate me to do this stuff more when people watch them, and I have a small following now, so that's kind of cool, and I enjoy doing it. So I really appreciate all the views from the few of you and the comments and things like that, and